This is Shimla station. This is a view. This is the view from the station, Shimla station. And this is our train. So I'm on my way out to grab something to eat because I really did not eat anything and I'm pretty hungry. Very hungry. बहुत भूख लग रहा है. Hopefully I go and find some good Indian food over here or a good plate of biryani and enjoy and show you guys as well. Now we'll get a room in Shimla. We'll stay one night. So far so good, guys. You have to literally climb up a mountain or hill from the station, and it's very steep. So make sure you have good knees, and that's how you go down. The way out from Shimla station, like completely out. और पीछे देखो वो है शिमला स्टेशन और वो है व्यू. सो अनरियल. क्या आपने कभी ऐसा स्टेशन देखा है? Like comment down below if you have ever seen a station at such a high altitude and just look at the view around, just mountains, and see the station. Even the station looks so good. And behind me is the way out, and the whole station is on a decline. So when you're coming up, make sure you have good knees because it's a very steep incline. And from the platform to this outer place where the car is coming. तो फिलहाल बस तो मिला नहीं और आप देख सकते हो कितना स्टीप इंक्लाइन है. रोड बहुत ज़्यादा स्टीप है. बस मिला नहीं और हम लोग को पुरानी बस स्टैंड जाना है जहाँ हम लोग थोड़ा सा इंडियन फूड खाएंगे वहाँ पे. एंड ये काफ़ी स्टीप है भाई. मैं तो ये सोच रहा हूँ कि लोग कैसे यहाँ पे अप एंड डाउन करते हैं ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. ये इतना ढलाव है, इतना हाई इंक्लाइन, और आप देख ही सकते हो मेरा सांस कैसे फूल रहा है. पीछे देखो नज़ारा. ये रोड, ट्रैफिक भी बहुत है यहाँ पे. ट्रैफिक इतना है कि बस भी रुक नहीं रहा है. 2 बसेस निकल गए थे लेकिन आई थिंक वो प्राइवेट थे, पता नहीं क्या. बहुत ज़्यादा इंक्लाइन है, बस कहीं भी नहीं रुकती. फ़िलहाल हम लोग अभी चल रहे हैं और चल के अपनी मंजिल पे पहुँचेंगे. मेरे पीछे व्यू देखो. वही जो इंक्लाइन था उस इंक्लाइन के पास ही ये व्यू आप देख सकते हो. पीछे व्यू देखो, नज़ारा देखो. दिस टोटली डिफाइंस द quote on top of the world or the song, but you feel like you're on top of the world. Actually you are. Look. और ये रास्ता देखो ब्रिज के नीचे से, रोड के साइड से, एंड नीचे खाई. एंड लिटरली ये शेक हो रहा है बिकॉज इट्स कम्प्लीटली मेटल. एंड यहाँ देखो क्रैक. Look at this, guys. ऐसे रोड्स हैं यहाँ पे. सब literally this is the walkway and people live here. लोग यहाँ एक्चुअली रिजाइड करते हैं और हम लोग वहाँ से आ रहे हैं. ये देखो यहाँ पे शॉप्स है गली पे गली. मैं तो यही सोच रहा हूँ लोग यहाँ कैसे रहते हैं. कंटिन्यूस इंक्लाइन. देखो कितना इंक्लाइंड है. आपको दिखाता हूँ. मैं एक्चुअली व्लॉग भी नहीं कर पा रहा, ऐसे ही चलते हैं. Oh gosh. देखो देखो एंड आई थिंक अभी बारिश होने वाला है और अभी तक मैंने खाना नहीं खाया. I'm just waiting to grab a bite and get some energy, and I'll see you at the restaurant. Market. This is the local market and keeps continuing. There's some fried stuff, spices, masala, and here's some food. And the market keeps on continuing. अभी और चढ़ना है. I know मेरा voice कैसे sound कर रहा है अभी, but that's the only way I can make this vlog and complete this. मेरे पीछे market है. This is the main market. So, and it's very steep. As you can see in the background, for a market area. Electronics, slippers, woolen clothes, and everything. So, this is the market area. And it's pretty crowded. Pretty crowded here. Very crowded actually. Here's a lift. और ये है लिफ्ट का एंट्री फीस, मतलब टिकट. सो मॉल रोड जाने के लिए आपको टिकट लेना पड़ता है 10 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन. एंड हियर इज द टिकट 10 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन. उसके बाद आप ये बटन दबा सकते हो और जा सकते हो अंदर. So, here's the ticket and here is the lift. So let's go to the mall road and have something to eat. And this is the way to Mall Road. This is Mall Road. Look at the view. So this is not some mall. This is how Mall Road looks like. You can see it's like almost from the British era. There's a post booth, and I think there are some buildings. That's a municipal corporation, Shimla. And अभी मैं माइक यूज़ नहीं कर रहा तो ऑडियो थोड़ा वो आएगा. See the building. Levi's, Puma. Lot of stores over here. It looks like a completely different place. A lot of hotels and restaurants and shops and stores nearby. You can see the place, how it looks like. It looks like you are in England or something, and totally amazing. I mean, just look at the view. I'm just walking on the road in Mall Road. There's a Adidas showroom, Puma showroom. This is Town Hall, Municipal Corporation, Shimla. Domino's is also there. It's a really, really beautiful place. I mean, like it's living in a completely different country. That's what I should say. You're living in a completely different country, or you come to a completely different country. It's such a place. And the dogs over here also are like German Shepherd, Golden Retrievers, all natural born. No interbred, no crossbred to make these species. Look at the dog behind me. That looks like a Chow Chow and a Golden Retriever Labrador mix. So this place is pretty big. I won't be able to show you the whole thing. और अगर मैं आपको हर चीज़ दिखा भी देता हूँ तो यहाँ आने का मज़ा ही क्या है. There's another road right up there. And it's raining, so I have to keep the phone inside. I am near the ridge and now I'm going to have my first meal, which is the local favorite over here, known as Siddu. क्या सिद्धू है? एक दे दो. So this is the Siddu. Looks something like that. It's basically a steam bun. I think with sesame seeds or something stuffed inside. So let's try this. What's famous about this? I mean, what's good about this? Not famous. And let's see how it tastes. There's also momos, I guess. No, veg momos or non-veg momos either. These are veg momos. Veg momos, I guess, right?
Yes, the veg.
ये veg momos are.
I think it variety of momos.
Yeah. Saga, take that.
Momos कौन से आपका? Only veg.
So here is the Siddu. Let's try this and see how it tastes. Try the Siddu. I mean Siddu. Siddu. I'm probably pronouncing this wrong. So let me see what this is made of. Let's take a bite. It's warm. So I already took a bite. Sort of sound issue था, but this is basically a bit salty. It's kind of salty and soft. It's like Chinese pav which you get in Chinatown in Kolkata, but I don't know what is this, sesame seeds or something, but it's good. It's good. And this sauce, this chutney is kind of a chili based chutney, but it's good. Overall it's good, and it's I'd say it's a warming kind of food for this season. Good. So behind me, the Christ Church, and we are going ahead. That's basically, I guess, that's the ridge, and this is Himachal Pradesh State Library, Shimla, behind me. So I don't know if the church is open. I think the church is open. We can go and check it out, and hopefully I get a chance to pray. So just look at the view. We'll shortly go up there as well on top. So let's go inside the church and let's see. So now I'm entering the church and I'll show you. Sorry, my nose is leaking. So I'm going to show you the church. I cannot make a lot of noise over it because it's silent. That's the view. And I think it's, you're not allowed to go inside. Maybe on Sundays. That's why I'm speaking softly. So videography and photography isn't allowed, but you can take out a picture. They allow you to take out at least one picture. So you can take out a picture inside and yeah, show your friends and family. But I don't know why they're not allowing any videography inside, because the main point was to take out the video. So you can take out pictures, but you can't take out a video. And I think maybe on Sundays, if they have mass, then definitely you can go if you're a Christian. Or even if you're not a Christian, maybe you can go and take out a video. But I don't know, I'm not suggesting this. I'm just telling you guys. So let's go and check out that place on the top. So this was for this view. And now I'm going to get some solid food. मैं खोज रहा था कब से कि यहाँ पे कुछ लोकल cuisine मिल जाए जो यहाँ का staple local non-vegetarian थाली या dish हो. But मुझे मिला नहीं. And इतना walk करके इतना elevation पे चढ़ के my back's literally paining. So there is a non-veg place below us, one level below. So hopefully I'll go and find something good over there. But I don't think it will be a local staple of Himachal. So I'm come to the restaurant basically. As you can see, it's empty now, so it's good. I can record properly. Me and my friend, we have ordered butter chicken. The butter chicken looks absolutely amazing. And that's my friend Sagar over there. And he also is eating the same thing. So I'm going to give you guys a quick taste review, a taste test, because the battery is only 5%. So let's see, the bread looks okay, not the best naan pulls. But let's see, let's grab a piece of chicken. Chicken tangri, this is the leg. Chicken is nice and soft. Chicken is nice and soft. It's warm. Let's see. Chicken is good. It tastes good. Wait a minute. The chicken is good. The butter chicken is absolutely amazing. And after you're so hungry, everything tastes good. But I'm not saying that it's not good. It is good. And the hotels and restaurants around here, anything you eat is a bit pricey compared to normal places. If you eat and you won't stay, definitely it's understood. But some places can be extra too pricey. But the food is definitely up to the mark. So let me finish this and I'll take you to the next location. For now, bye. So this is the look of the market in Shimla at night. It's very, very cold. I have to check the temperature and tell you guys what's the temperature. And today has been an extraordinary day. Many of the shops are closed and I'm on my way to Mall Road. See you guys there. This scene looks like a back road of New York City with all the garbage bins. And there's the bear walking up to us. And this is the view. Amanjis, look at this dog. Looks like a chocolate Tibetan Golden Retriever Mastiff mix. Right now I'm come at a small restaurant called Chinatown, and as you guys know, I love Chinese food and momos and stuff. So yeah, this is a small chamber or a cabin, and I ordered some chicken momos. I'm accompanied by my friend Sagar Khatri over here. Yeah, so he's also on his YouTube journey, starting his YouTube journey. So wish him the best of luck in the comments down below. And guys, tell me, what do you want me to show you guys in the next videos, like what kind of foods and cuisines that you want to see me reviewing. And yeah, let me show you this ambience. This is how it looks. So guys, our momo has arrived and I can't wait to dive in. So I'm going to give you guys the taste review of Chinatown's momo in Shimla. So let's dive in. Okay, smell. Let me give you the smell test. Smells good. Smells good. Let's see the stuffing. So this is chicken momos which I got normal. Special you get soupy. So yeah, there's pretty much a lot of chicken and it smells good. So far so good. But the batter is a bit thick. I get a bit of sauce. Red sauce. It's nice and warm. Let's take a big bite. I need a second bite for this. Without the sauce. Because the sauce is the wrong sauce. It's not a momo sauce. It's like a sweet sauce. There are a lot of chutneys right here. If Sagar will show you. I think these are the momo sauce spicy sauces right over here. Let's get a plain taste test, plain one. It's good, but it's not like the. I mean, I've had better. It's good. It's good. If you don't get good, great momos in your place, this would definitely be good. But I have had the best of momos, and I would rate this around 7 to 6.5. So it's been a wonderful day, guys. I'm going to wrap up this video after having those momos, and I would change my review from 6.5 to around 5 because it was really not good as I got into the meal. And you can see I'm really tired. It has been a very intense day and I haven't got proper sleep. You can see from my face that how stressed I am, and I've literally been climbing mountains from the past 2 or 3 months. If you see in my vlogs, there are some that I haven't recorded on camera, so you won't see that. With your family, you come here with your friends, whoever you come with, you're just going to enjoy the atmosphere, the vibe and everything around. And do tune in for the next vlog in Manali. That's going to be a 2-day trip and I think you guys are going to enjoy along with me. Until then, stay tuned and bye.